Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and online business marketing success. So, I have been in the middle of a 30-day challenge to myself to upload a video every day for 30 days. Well, I went 2 days without posting a video, and that's because I've decided to switch course for a little while, and I just want to give you the information on setting expectations for what this channel will be about and have to offer you. So, like I said, it's about online business marketing and the success thereof. So, what I will do and what you can expect from this channel is I will upload a video every Tuesday and Thursday regarding that, and to track my progress and all of that kind of stuff that you can track. And if you choose to emulate what I'm doing, once you start to see the growth and success, then you can. But I just want to take you on my journey to a successful channel. As of right now, I have just 16 subscribers, and in my mind that is a successful channel because I have 16 people, real live people who have decided to follow me. So for me, that's a success, because what I don't do is compare my success to someone else's, because with that you'll always be disappointed. And what I mean by that is there are people here on YouTube that have millions of followers, of subscribers. There are also some that have thousands, and there are some that have hundreds. So if the person with hundreds compare themselves to the people with millions, then that will make them feel that they're not doing well at this. But if you have one subscriber, you have one person that you're impacting. So as of today, I have 16, and I appreciate each and every one of the 16 subscribers that I have. My goal moving forward is within the next 6 months or so. Today is November the 1st, 2019. By May 1st, 2020, it is my goal to have at least 3,000 subscribers at the least. So like I said, you can take the journey with me and follow my progress. And if you choose to emulate, once you see the success and growth, then by all means, I would like to see you grow with me. So with that being said, my uploads will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I'd like to see you with me. If online marketing is something that you're interested in, then I would love to see you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and hit the bell so that whenever I upload, you can get a notification. So, because it is my decision, it's my decision to make this channel a success, which it already is. But what I'm saying, I'm gonna make it replace my job income within those 6 months, and hopefully I can inspire others to follow their dreams and do the same as I do. So with that being said, that is my video for today. Join me every Tuesday and Thursday where I will upload a new video. I'll also upload on other days, but Tuesday and Thursday will be my scheduled uploads. And the information that I will be giving is information on successful online marketing. So thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you here every Tuesday and every Thursday. Bye for now.